Hi there, I'm Lila. I am making this video because I was trying to find a video that showed the difference between carbon steel bakeware and hard anodised aluminium bakeware in terms of its conductive properties. And I was having a really hard time trying to find one that demonstrated it concisely and sort of in a way that you could replicate yourself, so that you can try it and see for yourself that I've not done any magic. So the pans that we're going to be comparing today is a Mermaid hard anodised aluminium bakeware pan. This is one of the single ones. You can buy these from Steamer Trading Cookshop for about £20.95. And a masterclass carbon steel rolled edge brownie tin. Again, these are available at Steamer Trading Cookshop for about £9.99. Carbon steel is a very good conductor of heat, so it is good for bakeware and will give you even browning and distribute the heat quite evenly across the surface so you don't get hot spots. The hard anodised aluminium, again, is a really good conductor of heat, but in terms of heat conduction, it is slightly superior to the carbon steel. And the way that we're going to demonstrate that today is by something called the ice cube test, which I'm really fond of because you can tangibly see the difference between the two in about 5 minutes flat. So it sort of really highlights just how good this stuff is. In terms of anodising, I'm sure some of you will probably know a more scientific explanation of why anodising is such a good conductor of heat. But basically, the way that I understand it to be is that by anodising, it makes the surface harder, denser, and it lines up the molecules so that it does conduct the heat from the middle all the way to the tip of the edge very efficiently. It just takes whatever temperature you give it and spreads it, basically. Another advantage of anodising is that it's incredibly hard wearing, so it's actually 10 times harder than steel, and one really good way that I can show you this on a video is by taking my trusty stainless steel fork here, and I'm going to scratch at the pan just here. Horrible noise, I know, but you can just about see after that, I'll catch it in the light, there's no scratches left in the surface of it. It's still lovely and smooth, which you definitely could not and would not want to do with a non-stick pan because you're going to take all of that non-stick coating off. So I'm going to stop waffling now and show you the ice cube test. It only takes about 5 minutes, so really, if you get a chance, give it a go. All you need is your two sides of baked chicken. Try and aim for them to be about the same size as I have here, so they are very similar in size. And of course, your ice cubes. Again, we're going to try and give this the best results possible. We're going to use two ice cubes that are the same size and shape and weight. And we're going to place them onto the very centre of the tray, which I will show you in just a second. There we go. So there we go. So you can see now that we have placed them into the centre of the tray. And we are going to let them sit for 5 minutes and then we're going to come back to them. Okay, so this is after about 2 minutes. You can see that the one on the left, which is the hard anodised, has significantly melted, whereas the one on the right is still fairly cube-shaped. You can see there's quite a lot of melt water around the left one, not so much around the right one. So you can see it's probably taken about half the time for the ice cube to melt in the hard anodised tray as it does in the carbon steel. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You can see after 5 minutes that don't want to do this into anything. I'll tip it into my little pot. The water in the hard anodised tray, or the ice cube rather, has now turned just into water, with absolutely no cube left whatsoever. Whereas the one that is in the carbon steel tray has melted a little bit. You can see a little bit of water coming off there, but predominantly is still most definitely cube shaped in there. I hope that you found this useful. The first time I saw it, I thought it was a really good demonstration, and it stuck with me probably for about the last 5 or 6 years. I've showed it to quite a lot of people over time. Hope that you found this helpful, and please don't judge me on my horrible video. Thank you very much.